Hey, welcome back. We are going to prepare liver. We're gonna need liver itself, the raw one. We're gonna need eggplants and tomatoes, onions, carrots, green pepper, spices, but especially Reiko. So we are going to start with the next step. You chop the liver into pieces, then place it into a saucepan and put it on the stove to boil for at least 10 minutes. Then while it is boiling, you chop the ingredients as you can see in the video, and you make sure you don't mix them at the same time. You separate them. While our liver is boiling, you cut the eggplant like this, then you chop it into small pieces like it is in the video. Then we're gonna place it into the liver which is boiling on the stove. Then we leave it to boil for some more 3 minutes for this eggplant to get mixed into the liver like it is. Then you remove water, separate the liver. When the eggplant is ready, then separate the water. You can see the water from our liver. Then our next step, we are going to start frying. You let the liver dry on the stove. Then after drying, we're going to put in our
Listen from me, can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me. About your chance, but fall in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown. What you want, what makes you proud. I'm giving a chance to make things right. But just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly show. Girl, listen from me, can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me. About your chance, about falling in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown. But what you want, what makes you proud. I'm giving a chance to make things right. But just be honest for once in a while.
Now our liver is getting ready. You make sure you stir until those tomato sauce dissolves in all the carrots and the onion. You stir until you see that thick part before you put in the spices. And
perfect.
when you reach this step, we get the other water which we dissolved. Then we place it into our stew. Then we stir again to make that gravy stuff. You stir until you see everything has dissolved the ingredients, making our gravy stuff into our liver. Stir again until you get the gravy stuff. You add in more water if you see it is still more thick. Now our liver is ready. You serve with any kind of food, let it be matoke, macarons, white rice, anything. Thank you for watching Shakiz TV.